If your rooms are clean, you get breakfast. Oh, yeah. Victoria won't be eating.
I don't care.
And Leanne won't be eating. The bathroom won't be eating.
Not fair.
The loft won't be eating.
Mama.
Oh, look at my room. Nice and clean.
Mama. I'm still eating it though. Me too.
All right.
Yeah.
You guys can clean your room later.
I want milk.
Oh, look. The media room is less than clean.
Clean. Not clean.
All right, let's see. Is it ready? It's ready! You guys don't look happy.